Hi, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to give advice. Okay, Mr. Lee, giving advice again? Yes. Okay, but using other words. Do you still remember my friend Billy? The very fat, chubby guy who likes to eat a lot of junk food and who doesn't like to do any sports? Yeah, still him. You see, now he's smaller. Okay? So usually when you give advice, how do you use English to give advice? It's not difficult, right? It's not difficult. You know that there are certain words that you want to use. For example, you want to use should. Say, you should eat less. Okay? Or if you don't want to use should, you can also use you need to do sports. Right? Still advice. Or if you are, if you know more English, you should know. You can also say you must sleep earlier. Okay? Very, very easy. We use these kind of words to show people that this is an advice. Alright? And in this chapter, I'm going to teach you one more. And that is ought to. Ought to. Just like but, okay? But now we take away the be. Ought to. Ought to just means should. Ought to means exactly like should. Alright? So when you make a sentence, it's easy. You ought to what? Drink water. You ought to drink water. Okay? It is a little bit different from need to. Why? Because for need to, if you are using he, she, it in the beginning, you will need to do what? Yeah, you will need to add s to need. For example, you will want to say, Billy needs to keep fit. Okay, Billy needs to keep fit. But if we want to use ought to, for example, Billy ought to keep fit. Okay, we will not add s to it. Never. Just do not add s to it. Just remember it like should. You will not add s to should or ed to should, right? So do not add anything to ought to. Super simple. Done already. Remember to finish the exercise down below. Okay, I will see you tomorrow. Bye.